you. This is Milo Dinasour. It's Singapore's national drink, unofficial.
Okay. Milo
Dinasour.
Milo Dinasour. So this is Milo Dinasour, and I couldn't have it yet because everybody they asked me money. So she's finally got it. She's got a wallet ready. Let's go down. Boom. Look at your phone. Going through.
Whoa!
Hey, congrats.
Brilliant.
You're a Bitcoin next. Awesome. Thank you. To the moon, to Bitcoin, to family, to Ethan.
To the moon.
To the moon.
Yay.
Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. I've traveled to 232 cities in 23 countries, and now you can join me on my journey and travel with me.
I am in the north, near the national park, not near the best place where we wanted to go see the sunrise. But it's raining and there was no sunrise.
Yeah.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. It's definitely not very little. I have one of these.
Yeah. Next. And send now. Done. Send. Thank you. Wow. Yeah.
Something dropped down.
So where are we going now? Shit. This chaos. This is so great. How do you feel, brother?
Alive.
Yeah? You can camp there.
Came here.
So I feel this is the only place in Singapore where you can just run around and not wear mask. Without anybody telling you, looking at you. Wow, man, thank you so much. What are you going to do with this Bitcoin?
Just wait. Wait for probably 10 years, 20 years, 30 years where people start to value it.
Thank you. Oh, that's a lot of food, man. That's it?
Yeah.
Let's have it.
The longer you dip,
What's this? This is pork. This is pork. Just take that, take that.
what is it?
Hi, what's up? So this is the legendary Chinatown Metro. I am off to meet Sid, who invited me to let's go explore the east side of Singapore. All the way here to
How are you?
Good man, hi.
Hi. This is Man.
Oh, nice handshakes. Okay. Shit. Hey. Like, what is this lake called?
Bedok Reservoir.
Some reservoir lake.
Reservoir which captures the extra water
Wow, from Malaysia, right?
from rainfall. Yeah.
No, okay. We'll eat here. But do you have any bitcoins? No?
No.
बहुत अच्छा आइटम है. तूने खाया कभी? हाँ. पराठे. You like parathas?
With थोड़ा पराठा दो इधर.
Bon appetit, bhai. There is something awesome you do here is after you finish, you take it and you give your tray. Hi, hello. There is in-house running track. Free में?
Public spaces are free. Gym free.
My God, this is a dream come true.
तो बच्चे पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं.
Mango and pizza.
Do you accept Bitcoin?
कौन सा वाला लेगा?
अभी चलते ना बैठते ना थोड़ा मारेंगे. Hi, what's up? So we are back to the station and this is your first time you're getting Bitcoin.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with it?
I'll just probably gonna hold it.
Yeah. Oh, that was so
Go on.
fast. 17818 sets. Congrats.
Run with Bitcoin.
Run with Bitcoin. What do you have in your hand? It's got the Bitcoin white paper. Huh? So guys, thank you. Hi, good morning. It's day 143. Running right again. And this time, running by the beach side. Hi, what's up? So I'm here at Draper Startup House and I'm here because of her. What's her name?
Priya, most common Indian name.
Alright, what have you done, Priya?
Meaning, help you or in life?
Right now, what did you just create?
Oh, right. I have created this, which is a blue wallet, and it's a lightning wallet, and it literally took a minute for me to create. No, it literally took a second for me to create.
There you go, non-KYC. Alright, so why we are having this is because she's got me something. What is this thing called?
Dude, this is Milo Dinasour. It's Singapore's national drink, unofficial.
Okay. Milo
Dinasour.
Milo Dinasour. So this is Milo Dinasour and I couldn't have it yet because everybody, they asked me money, so she's finally got it. She's got a wallet ready. Let's go down. Boom. Look at your phone. Going through.
Whoa!
Hey, congrats. You're
Brilliant.
a Bitcoin.
This
Nice.
is.
Awesome.
He wants to have the chocolate separate.
Oh, wow.
That's why.
Oh, yeah. Alright, I love it. I think so. This is. Thank you. There you go. CT is here.
Hello.
Do you have some Bitcoin?
Bitcoin. Oh, yes, of course. I have a Bitcoin.
Hey, let's do this.
Then I climbed the second mountain and
This guy is running more than 100k and we got connected thanks to Bitcoin.
yeah, Bitcoin man.
What's your company's name?
Hold or not.
What do they do?
Yeah, so hold on. It's actually kind of like a crypto bank. You deposit your Bitcoin, deposit your Ethereum together with us, and then you can start earning interest on your crypto. Up to 12.73% per year.
Wow.
Compounded.
Lovely.
And we pay you weekly, unlike the banks.
Thank you. Oh, done.
Yeah, well done.
Thank you. Man, we met last evening. I didn't expect that we'll be running.
I think we ran about 8 kilometers.
Wow. Good morning.
I'll be running back.
You're running back?
Yeah, running back home.
How far is it? 3
3
kilometers.
kilometers, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, Paco, nice to meet you.
Love you, brother. God
Yeah,
bless.
See you, man. Again. Bye.
So we're going through some hidden trails. Ooh, I love this one. Oh. What's up? This is day 146 and I'm here and I came down to meet the Hodl office. I don't know if you can check that out. Hey, what's up, bro? Good to see you.
Yo, hey, good.
Just come for my rescue. Dude, this is crazy. I went down in my metro card, didn't have money. And I was like using my crypto card, the card wasn't working.
No money as well.
And I was like, what do I do? So CT came down to my rescue. And here we are, man. Thank you so much, bro.
Yeah, no worries, man.
I'm in my wallet. I'm gonna type 20 bucks. Done, thank God.
Okay, here you go.
And I'm gonna come here. Alright, man, done. Send him 20 bucks on this. Thank you so much, bro. God bless you.
Hey,
Dude, humans are really kind, man. He literally came all the way here. I am just surprised. Hi, what's up?
Hey, how's it going?
How are you doing today?
Very well, sir.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Alright, may I know your name, please?
I'm Ethan. Leslie Leong. I'm the restaurant owner for Maison et Coco Singapore.
Lovely, man. I hear like you accept crypto here.
That's right. We accept cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Phantom, USDT, and CRO.
Alright, why do you accept these coins?
I personally, I think this is the future. If there's a say that is a gold and silver is belong to God's money, and fiat is the government money, and I think cryptocurrency are the people's money.
Haha, lovely. And when was the first time you heard about Bitcoin?
Well, I first got into this industry in 2019. A close friend of mine happened to conduct classes and asking me if I interested to learn about the knowledge behind. I say, yeah, yes. I say yes. I wish to learn more, and that's how I started the whole things.
Awesome. And do you hold some Bitcoin?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I like this. This is it to the moon. You are already there.
Alright.
Okay, that's it.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah, just go inside here.
I'm gonna go around. So 1 ounce is like until 2?
Yeah, just here. Okay.
Oh, I got it. Nice.
That's great.
Alright. Ooh.
Yeah, 1 ounce of
Apple.
pineapple. I love pineapple on the pizza. No, I don't.
Okay.
Lemon.
Some
Oh, that's
chill.
quite nice.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Yes. Yeah. They do this and they go. Yeah, this is what they do. Yay! I'm gonna present to you my Singapore slingshot.
Ooh.
So much. Thank you. To the moon, to Bitcoin, to family, to Ethan.
To the moon.
To the moon!
Oh wow. Good one.
Presenting to you.
So these also like
2, 1.
Alright, cheers.
What's he making?
This crushing some grapes right now.
Experience that matters. Thank you. Very lovely. Cheers, guys. Oh, he's so good. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. It reminds me of Aladdin so much right now. You guys have to really come down here. This is an amazing place here. He is always here. You're gonna see him making your drinks and talking to you about more about crypto and more about Bitcoin. Who is this? Dude! Oh my god. This is another restaurant. And look here. We accept crypto payments. But this is the one issue. But yeah, it's here, man. It's the best place ever in the world. What do you guys feel about the place?
it's really good. I
Yeah.
really enjoy the cocktails.
Yeah, it is good.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
Really, really awesome.
Yeah. That's nice. Alright, let's go. Do you love Singapore?
I love Singapore.
Yeah. This is the Niswa Fort. This is the turtle beach. They lay turtle eggs. The khanjar. The dates. Oh my god, this is Muscat. This is so cool.
Yeah.
Muscat Street. How are you? Hey. What's up, man? Wow. Bon appetit. Nice. What is the murtabak? Will you accept Bitcoin from me?
Yeah, why not?
Alright, let's set your Bitcoin wallet later. Thank you. She got me drinks and she got me awesome murtabak, and I have to pay her now. So let's just do this. Create.
Alright. Okay, create. Do I need to create this?
Yeah, no, just create. Boom. Watch. Look at your phone.
Yeah, okay.
You received it. It's done.
Okay.
That's it. Congrats, you have some Bitcoin.
I'm learning from Paco.
you know, it's not for hoarding, it's for currency.
Ah. All right, man. Orange pills. Take it. Ciao.
Well, thank you.
Ciao.
Ciao.